Clean vet. Shit is clean.
He been a choke a lot. Did we see this yesterday? No. Nah, he was here last year. We seen it right there last year.
These vets is clean, man.
Disciple said he had to get his power pack. Somebody must have killed their battery and shit. Huh? Why? I don't know. He said I gotta go get. He said for somebody else. He said I gotta go get my power pack. I'll be right back. I said all right. I don't know. Somebody must have been playing their music and killed their shit inside.
This vet is clean. I'm not a fan of the big decals on it, but this shit is clean.
That's why you the road captain.
Yeah. It's clean right here. Clean. I don't know you, but I just gotta dap you up. You already know what time it is.
Let's go.
You know what I'm saying? You already know what time it is. Ain't he gotta say that. You already know what time it is. This is nice. It's clean. Got a lot of music playing here, so I gotta keep constantly talking. Constantly keep talking. I don't want to get no copyright. This is all for personal use only. 1956. Nice white walls. Clean. Shit right here is clean, nice. You got a system in the back. This shit is laced. Very nice. SS. It's nice, brother. Nice, nice, nice. Got a charger over here. The angel eyes. This color is crazy, crazy purple. Yo, the color is crazy, son.
That's crazy. That's a Dodge color.
Huh?
Plum crazy. That's a Dodge color.
I like this shit. This shit is hard.
This is nice too, though.
He got double sunroof. Come on. He got the right jersey on all day, every day. Let's go. Start him early. Start him early. Yeah, this is nice. This is crazy. This shit is sitting on the ground.
Yo, I be with it. Gangs who hang and bang, animals, orangutans, hammers move, bang. Damn it, dude, the game has changed. I got a whole selection. whole collection. Selection.
See the tires on this shit? These tires is crazy. You got a lantern.
Listen, this isn't no damn game in here. Yeah.
See the engine's in the trunk. The battery in the trunk.
Yeah. And I'm dangerous. Yeah. And I'm dangerous. Yeah. Brainless. Yeah. Stainless. Yeah. Aiming. Yeah. Banging. Yeah.
Slingshots. Let's go look at these bikes.
City block. Hard with the